clean up our managed packages from the App Exchange, I got rid of 18 in one day and removed all of the interdependency uses of like, oh, this button's on this page layout. Oh, this is a list view that's over here on this Lightning page. Because obviously you've got stuff everywhere with managed packages. Managed packages slow down your org. Triggers are still there running for any managed object, even if you don't use the fields. So with one day, we removed 18 managed packages that were installed in the past, probably shouldn't have been, weren't being used. So that was a big task, but we got it done.